Hello everybody, today I'm at the Detroit Auto Show taking a look at this 2026 Ram 1500. They call this one the 650 Hemi. I'm not sure if this is a concept. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a concept or it's just a private vehicle at the Ram booth. But it is supercharged. It has the 5.7 liter Hemi V8 and it is pretty unique. So I believe the exterior color is billet silver. It does have a graphics package, as you can see, as well as some front end splitter work. So starting off up front, LED projector style headlights, or reflector I should say, LED signal markers and fog lights, parking sensors with cross path detection, custom powder coated tow recovery hooks. You have a nice splitter air valance in the front, big Ram lettering, sport hood. It does say supercharged on it, and the supercharger has been paint matched to this color, so that is pretty sweet. Billet silver fender flares. Coming down to the wheel and tire setup, it looks like we have some Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons, and that is a 305/40 R22. Gloss black mirror caps, gloss black door handles, blind spot monitor located right here. Here's a quick shot of the graphics package. 650 Hemi. LED or incandescent tail lamps with blind spot monitor located in them. They call this one the direct connection, I believe. Oversized dual exhaust tips. 4-pin and 7-pin trailer connector. Ram is spelled out on the tailgate. You have a nice backup camera right here. You have a wing on the actual tailgate itself. Soft trifold tonneau cover. Very, very unique looking truck for sure. If they offered a supercharged 5.7 Hemi like this, I think it would sell very well. So taking a quick look at the interior, we have the direct connection logos pretty much everywhere on the seat backs, on the actual armrest / storage compartment. All your window controls are here, lock and unlock, as well as your mirror controls. Rotary dial selector for the exterior lighting of the vehicle, as well as the dimmer switch for your instrument cluster. Electronic parking brake is under that, as well as your power adjustable pedals. Coming up to the dash, it's going to be fully digital, which is awesome. Working our way back to the steering wheel, it is a very soft leather wrap steering wheel. I believe this trim is based on the Bighorn. All of your controls for the infotainment or instrument cluster is going to be right here. Your steering wheel mounted call buttons are right there. You have your different drive modes right here. Over on the right side, you have your adaptive cruise control buttons, as well as your regular cruise buttons, and then your gear limiter. Push button start's going to be right there. Rotary dial shifter with push button transfer case, 4 auto, 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, and then because this is the e-torque, even though it's supercharged, you have your automatic start stop off button right here. Above the touchscreen display, we have a nice storage compartment with a 12-volt outlet. Above that, you have your lane keep assist off button and then your hazard light button. Really nice high definition 12-inch, I believe this is the Uconnect 5 with the card system. So we have navigation up top, media down below. Physical HVAC controls are on both driver and passenger side. However, the heated seats and steering wheel buttons are going to be within the touchscreen itself. Underneath that, you have your traction control off button, front and rear parking sensors off. 2 USBs, 2 USB Type-Cs, auxiliary jack in the middle. Single zone wireless charging mat, regular just mat for a plus size smartphone. Down here you have 110 or 120 volt 400 watt power outlet. Nice cup holders here, as well as storage tray here. This is your Ram Fox factory info. It looks like it is kind of riveted to the actual armrest, which is pretty cool. Pull up on that and that gives us access to a storage compartment. Pull up on that again and it gives us access to an LED lit storage compartment. Direct connection seats. This guy has 2 glove boxes, and I was correct, it is based off the Bighorn. First one's going to be right there. Second one's going to be right here. Up top on the vanity, it is going to be incandescent lit for the passenger as well as your driver. The driver vanity on this Bighorn is going to come with a 3-door universal garage remote. Up top on the headliner, you have your tailgate release button, dome, map light, master controls. all the controls for the twin pane sunroof, as well as the power sliding rear window. And then finally you have your auto dimming rear view mirror. So pretty standard Bighorn. The big feature of this is obviously the exterior and the supercharger. Let's take a look at the back seats. So you have tons of room back here. This door opens to what seems to be almost a 90-degree, which is nice, maybe like 85, 88 degrees, whatever. These seats do fold up, giving us access to a load flat floor with under seat storage. Storage in the form of pouches behind both driver and passenger seat. Cup holders right here. Smartphone storage there. 2 USBs, 2 USB Type-Cs, as well as a 115 volt, 400 watt power outlet here. Center armrest that doubles as a seat. Again, direct connection is stitched onto each seat. Even with the twin pane sunroof, you still have an okay amount of headroom. Your hanger hooks and LED dome map lights have been pushed to the outermost portion of the headliner to accommodate the twin pane sunroof. Let's take a quick look now at the bed. So to open the tailgate on this vehicle, you're just going to come up to it, push the button, and it should open. It may actually be locked because of the show. Typically there's going to be 4 tie-down points in here, 1 in each of the 4 corners. Some of them have bed lighting, which is usually on the driver's side, as well as a power plug. This guy does come with, it looks like, a soft trifold tonneau cover. So there you have it, the 2026 Ram 1500 Bighorn, either 650 Hemi or the direct connection edition. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like and share. If you want to keep up to date with more auto show content and future vehicle walkthroughs, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and please also check out all the affiliate links in the description below. Like always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.